Hello, everyone. How are you all doing today? Yes, that's beautiful. So, welcome to Foundation Stage 2 Mathematics lesson. Our objective for today's lesson is learners will be able to reinforce the concept of greater than and less than, and we gain understanding of equal to symbol. All right, we already did the greater than and less than sign, right? So today we're going to reinforce on it and as well learn a new sign. Our learning outcome is by the end of the lesson, learners are able to compare numbers and put the correct symbol for greater than, less than, and equal to. Here is ta-da, our greater than symbol. Here is the less than symbol. You remember the less than symbol? Very good. All right. So let's listen to the tune of this rhyme.
Silly school songs. Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to.
These symbols are the ones you use for greater than, less than, and equal to.
Greater than, less than, equal to.
Once upon a time there was a hungry alligator. He loved to eat numbers, so he figured out a way to always get the biggest bite when the numbers were there. He would stop for a second, take a look and compare. Whichever number was the biggest of the two was the one that he would eat. So just to review, here's the main thing to know about the hungry alligator. He always eats the number that's greater. Greater!
Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to.
These symbols are the ones you use for greater than, less than, and equal to.
Greater than, less than, equal to.
The greater than symbol points to the right. The less than symbol points to the left. The symbol always points to the number that's smaller. I'd like to tell you more, but I'm running out of breath.
Sometimes it can be hard to remember which symbol is which, so here's a simple little tip. The less than symbol is shaped like an L. Just remember L for less, that's how you can tell.
But what about the equal sign?
Now here's what it means when you see the equal sign. The value of the numbers is the same on both sides. But on the other hand, greater than and less than are called inequalities because they're not
equal, man. Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to.
These symbols are the ones you use for greater than, less than, and equal to.
Greater than, less than, equal to.
All right. So let's see some examples. So you recall what we did the last time. We have number 4 and the number 2. Do you remember what I told you to do? If you're not sure of the number that is greater or less than, you can draw objects. So for number 4, let's draw apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now for 2, 1, 2. So 4 apples and 2 strawberries. So which will the alligator eat? Very good. Yes, he will eat the number 4 because number 4 is greater than 2. So 4 is greater than 2. We have the number 3 and number 2. Which number is greater than? Is it 3 or 2? Alright, let's draw objects. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 3 broccoli and 1, 2. 2 slices of pizza. Alright, so which one will the alligator eat? Very good. The alligator will eat the number 3 because the number 3 is greater than 2. So 3 is greater than 2. Beautiful kids. Alright, let's do something more. Spot the number 4 and the number 5. Which will the alligator eat? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 4 chickens and 5 French fries. Which will the alligator eat? Very good. He will eat the number 5 because 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5, okay? So 5 is the greater number while 4 is less than 5. We have the number 2, number 8. Which is the greater number? Which will the alligator eat? Let's draw object to know which number is greater or less. 1, 2. 2 ice cream cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 candies. Okay. Very good. The alligator will open its mouth to number 8 because number 8 is the bigger number. So we're going to say 2 is less than 8. Very good, children. Now we have the number 4. And the number 4 again. Which will the alligator eat this time? Remember, the alligator always opens its mouth to the greater number. But now we have 4 and 4. Alright, let's draw objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 packets of crayons. Which will the alligator eat, children? Oh, Mr. Alligator, what will you eat? Oh, he will compare and compare. So the alligator is not going to eat any of the numbers, rather we introduce the equal symbol. Okay, so whenever he compares the number and they are the same, we just introduce the equal symbol. So 4 and 4, we put the equal symbol. And we're going to read this as 4 is equal to 4. Alright, children. Let's see another example. 2 and 2. Again, we have the same numbers. What will the alligator eat? Which number? He's not going to eat any of them because they are the same. Let's draw objects. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have 2 plates of spaghetti and 2 plates of oatmeal. Oh. So the alligator is not going to eat any. We are going to put the equal symbol and we are going to read this as 2 is equal to 2. Very good. Now 6, 4. Which will the alligator eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Our alligator is going to eat the number 6. So we're going to read this as 6 is greater than 4. Right. The next one now, children. 5 and 5. What will the alligator do? Do you remember? Very good, because 5 and 5 are the same. We are going to put the equal sign. Let's draw objects. 1 lollipop, 2, 3, 4, 5 lollipops, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marshmallows. So our alligator is not going to eat any of them. We're just going to put the equal symbol. And we are going to read this as 5 is equal to 5. Very good, children. Right, so we have the number 4, the number 8. Remember, when you're not sure of which number is greater, you can draw objects. So we are going to draw 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candies. So which one will the alligator eat? Very good. The greater number. Number 8. So we are going to read this as 4 is less than 8. Very good. Again, 3, 3. Which will the alligator eat? Let's draw objects. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 oranges and 3 mangoes. So what are we going to do, children? Remember, when we have equal numbers, we have to introduce the equal sign. Very good. So we are going to read this as 3 is equal to 3. Very good, children. Well done. It's reflection time. So you're going to do this. The instruction is put the correct symbol for the given numbers. When you are done, upload your work on Teams. Good job, children. And a very big thank you to you. Well done. See you next week. Bye bye.